All right, guys, we got some great new inventory on the lot this week. I'm going to do a full lot walk showing you all the new rides. I'm also going to go over the existing inventory, tell you a little bit about it. Think you're going to like this one. Let's get started. First up, some existing inventory. You've seen this 67 Chevelle station wagon. There is a sale pending on it, so we're going to skip on over to the next one. Another one that you may have seen before, 1969 Chevy Chevelle, priced at $27,900. It's got a 350 under the hood, automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, headers, dual exhaust, and more. Next up, more existing inventory, a 1971 Chevy Chevelle, priced at $31,900. It's got a matching numbers 350 under the hood, automatic transmission, power steering. This one's got air conditioning, dual exhaust, SS emblems, 17-inch aluminum wheels, and more. All right, making our way over to some new inventory, a 1967 Oldsmobile Cutlass, priced at $34,900. Next to the 67 Cutlass, we've got a 1970 Oldsmobile Cutlass 442 convertible, priced at $39,900. Back to back new inventory. Next up, we got a 1969 Pro Street Chevy Chevelle, priced at $37,900. Moving on, more new inventory, a 1996 Chevy Impala SS. Don't have a price on this one yet, but if you check maplemotors.com around midday Monday, we should have the price posted there. Alright, back to some existing inventory. Next up, we got a 1971 Chevy Corvette Convertible, priced at $27,900. It's got a 350 under the hood, automatic transmission, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, dual exhaust, bucket seats, and more. Right next door to it, we got more existing inventory, a 1991 Pontiac Trans Am convertible. Don't see too many of those on the lot. It's got a tune port injected 305, automatic overdrive transmission, and a whole lot more, priced at $15,900. A lot of you already spotted this new inventory in the background. This is a 1979 Pontiac Trans Am, priced at $39,900. Next up, you've seen this one on the lot before, a 1984 Chevy Camaro Z28, priced at $15,900. This next one's no stranger to the lot, a 1967 Chevy Camaro convertible, priced at $34,900. It's got a 283 under the hood, automatic transmission, dual exhaust with Flowmasters, aftermarket gauges, CD player, SS emblems, chrome bumpers and trim, and more. More current inventory, a 1965 Ford Mustang, priced at $29,900. Finishing out this row is more existing inventory, a 1955 Chevy 210 two-door hardtop. It's got a 350 under the hood, automatic transmission, air conditioning, whole lot of upgrades, custom interior, dual exhaust, and much more, priced at $37,900. Coming up on some new inventory, a 1963 Buick Riviera, priced at $29,900. Next door to the Riviera, we got a 1959 Chevy Biscayne, priced at $34,900. On the other side of the lot, we got some more existing inventory. That 66 C10 is sale pending, so we're going to skip on over to the 1985 Chevy K10 4x4, priced at $14,900. That 77 Grand Prix is sold, so we're skipping over to the 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner, priced at $39,900. It's got a matching numbers 383 under the hood, connected to an automatic transmission. It's got power steering, air conditioning, lots of performance upgrades. And to finish it off, we got some more new inventory, a 1968 Chevy Chevelle, priced at $27,900. Alright, keep an eye out this week. I'm going to be posting more in-depth videos of all the new inventory you just saw. I appreciate you watching. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to be posting Maple Motors content just about every day. Don't want to miss it.